everyone. Today's Thursday, which means it's laundry day. I know that's so exciting, but it is my friend Lane's birthday, so I am going to be making her a chocolate cake. So it's the third time in the month, I think even within like 2 or 3 weeks, that I'm going to make the same chocolate cake recipe, which means I also have to learn how to use the espresso maker without my dad here because he's at work, so he can't make the espresso. And other than baking and laundry, I don't really have much else planned for the day. I like to get my homework done at the start of the week so that as the week progresses, I have less and less of a workload, essentially meaning I overload myself at the start of the week so that I have no work on Thursday and Friday. Oh, my outfit right now. Okay, I'm not in love with it, but this is a top that I got from Garage, and it was supposed to have a matching skirt, and we ordered it online because they didn't have my size in the store, and it never came. So I'm a little mad about that. I need to reorder it because it was supposed to be like a matching set and it would have been cute, and now it's like hard for me to find something to wear it with because the top is obviously on purpose short so that the high-waisted skirt could come and make like the perfect little like midriff, and I obviously don't have it, so it's been a little awkward. But I'm wearing these black leggings from Lululemon, and normally I have worn this top with like black high-waisted jeans and a white jean jacket, and it looked so good. I literally felt like a celebrity when I wore that outfit. But anyway, this is my outfit for the day, and today's vlog, I guess, is just gonna be super chill, so I'll see you guys when I start working on the cake.
Excuse me, I need to drive. Excuse me!
6 feet apart, but yes, happy birthday! Hey everyone, I'm currently in the car with Aubrey because my dad's picking up some food and the restaurant that we're at is taking forever to deliver the food. We just dropped off the cupcakes at my friend Lane's house. I am not sure why my voice is so awkwardly high-pitched in the clip, but we're just gonna ignore that. I tried a new frosting method that I've been wanting to try. Stop crying. I tried a new frosting method I've been wanting to try when making her cupcakes so that they look like flowers. And basically what it was is the like flower technique where you make a dollop of your buttercream and then you use an offset spatula to scrape it and make a little flower petal. I was so happy trying it out today. Oh my gosh, I just remembered I was going to make an intro clip before I started making the cake so it wasn't like some awkward jump, like so there was a proper transition. I took Aubrey on her afternoon walk and my allergies went crazy when I got back home. My eyes were so irritated and my lip just got swollen and I was like, okay. So I just went up to my room and I sat down for a little bit and I just closed my eyes and I edited a little bit on the laptop. My dad's back, to be continued. Hi, hello, I'm home now. So what was I saying? Oh yes, when I took Aubrey on her walk, my allergies went crazy. So I came up to my room, had to sit down for a little bit because I had no clue what was going on. And so I was sitting there editing and I was holding a ice pack to my lip to try and help the swelling. I have no clue what it was because I didn't eat anything when I got home that I was possibly allergic to or before I left the house. I don't have anything else planned for today. So I'm just gonna end today's portion of the vlog here and I will pick this up tomorrow, another day, whenever something else happens that's vlog worthy. Okay, bye until the next clip. Bye. guys, I'm a big dum-dum and I always like pull at my string to get it to be nice and neat and not super saggy, and it looks like for once in my life the tape actually held it up properly, because when I pulled it too hard and I broke the wire. And I didn't realize until I turned it on, and only half of it turned on. And I'm so sad because this one was my favorite one because it has all my Polaroids on it. I'm so sad right now. Also, the status of the wall is the super bright one and vibrant one is a replaced one because one of them died randomly on me. And these three keep dying out. And you can super tell right now when it's compared to the other lights. And now that one up there, you can't even see my finger tracing it, but the one at the top left also dying. And the weird thing is this top left one and these three ones are all purple lights that came in the same package as the super vibrant one, and they were new and I first opened them when I put it up on my wall, which means they have super sucky battery life. And all of these ones are much older, and I don't think you can tell on camera. These lights are more white slash slightly blue next to the purple. I think it's more of a white tint, and these ones are purple tinted. I don't think you can really tell, but this one is a purple light and this one is a blue light, or a white light if you see it in person. So it's really upsetting me that the lights that are purple died out so quickly. So I think I'm gonna ask my dad tomorrow if I can just buy new lights, mainly to replace this sad one. See, look at this. This is my favorite aesthetic shelf and now it's dead. So I don't know if I want to get yellow lights or if I want blue-white lights. I think I might go for a white slash blue for the wall, and then definitely replace the one over here with yellow lights, just because I think the yellow is a very classic movie theater kind of look, especially when I had it across the posters. It looks super marquee slash movie theater-esque, but I think it's a move. I'm so sad.
Good morning, weirdo. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're just fully green. Hi, Aubrey. Hello.
Hey everyone, so I wasn't planning on vlogging today until obviously that last clip of my dog turning green. She ran around in the grass too much this morning, but my dad gave her a bath, so she's clean now. And I wasn't gonna vlog today because I'm really not doing anything. All I did was sit at the computer for 3 hours making a presentation, and now I'm going to edit a little bit more and upload and then go for a run, hopefully, because I have been off my workout game like crazy lately. When I'm filming this, it is May 1st. When you guys watch this, it'll probably be halfway or at the end of May, but I just want to say happy Mental Health Awareness Month, and I hope you are all paying attention to your mental health just as much as your physical health, because it is as important and it is not something that you should neglect. I personally went through a very tough time with my mental health my first semester of senior year, and I'm really happy to have met a lot of people and a lot of places that have freed me from being in that really bad trap that I put myself in. And maybe one day, a few years on the line, I might talk about it on this channel, who knows. Anyway, what I'm going to do right now is upload and edit, and once I get that finished, I'm going to go for my run.